We have our heading.
Here we go!
From the magic within our hearts to the adventure beyond the horizon, there is only one Disney.
This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's FastPlay. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will...
Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
Never! Oh. We gotta save her! Oh.
Take a bite. Snow White.
Over the years, they've taken you on amazing journeys to worlds you've never imagined.
Wow.
And places you've only dreamed of. This summer, Disney Pixar will take you on their next great adventure. With Carl Fredricksen. And he won't even have to leave his house. This summer, journey to a lost world. Huh? With these guys.
Hi, Mr. Fredricksen. Please let me in.
No.
All right. Disney Pixar's Up.
Uncle Skeeter, tell us a bedtime story.
Once upon a time, the greatest of all the heroes was Skeeterkus. And then then...
It started raining gumballs.
It started raining gumballs. That's weird. Last night I told my sister's kids a bedtime story and it came true.
This is gold.
Yeah. I got a new story I want to lay on you.
What happens in the tales he tells
How can I ever thank you?
will happen in real life.
Then a dwarf kicks him in the butt.
So the kids control the stories.
But he's about to discover that once the stories start, there's no telling where they're going to end.
Then somebody threw a fireball at Skeeto.
You want me to catch on fire?
Bedtime stories.
Enter a new world of home entertainment where the movies look sharper. The action feels closer. Where the movies you want and the games you play are on Disney Blu Ray High Definition.
Everything changes.
It's the ultimate cinematic experience with superior full high-definition picture with up to 6 times the resolution of DVD and superior full high-definition surround sound.
Perfect!
Plus, Blu-ray's protective layer resists scratching. And Blu-ray discs play on PlayStation 3 game systems.
Wow.
And with innovative bonus features, get more Disney magic.
Hooray!
And more of your favorite movies than ever before. Disney Blu-ray.
Hey!
Magic in high definition.
The movie you're watching right now is magic. And the magic continues after the credits. Just look inside your DVD or Blu-ray disc for the magic code to start earning points toward fantastic rewards at DisneyMovieRewards.com.